All right, today we're going to bring an indoor camera. This is a perfect camera. It could be a nanny camera, it could be a pet camera, it could be pretty much anything. If you have a business, you can even put this in indoors. This is not outdoor graded, just to make sure. Now, they do give you a couple of things that you can see. They give you actual power because it's not battery based. It needs power and it's a USB power. In the back, the power is a micro USB. Of course, it has two-way microphone and audio, so you can speak if you're away from home and you need to speak to your dogs or your cat or your kids. This is one way. Now, just to be aware that the actual SD card, there's a micro SD card included, 32 gigs. It goes underneath of it, and it's kind of hard to find unless you have to move the actual whole lens itself. And of course, the reset button here. So automatically it will turn on as soon as you plug it in. So first insert the card. And then you could also provide the service. They do sell some services in here for cloud-based, or just get the from your library. Any kind of movements, it could capture them. So it included the application that you're going to require to actually download. So the application has a barcode. Just use your phone to actually download from either Apple Store or the Google Store. Once it locates the actual application, so here's the application. It's called CareCam Pro. So we're going to go ahead and install it. It's very simple. You might have to register it. All right. I like that they include this mount in case you need to mount this inside on the ceiling or anywhere. They include this in here, and it's very simple. It comes with the screws, either drywall mounts, and you just plug it in through here and lock it in. Actually, obtain the barcode now, so we're gonna go ahead and plug it in to your camera. And it beeped, it made some noise, so we're capable of grabbing the actual information from the camera. It's going to do an update. Now, the system is great that you can save certain angles. If you want an entrance that you want to see, you can always go back to your save modes. You can save them as templates. You got plenty of options. You could change it from HD to FHD, so it's a higher quality. You could turn off the light. You could turn on the light. So let's take a look at a couple of waypoints, all right? So we're going to move the camera to the right, all right? That's going to be one waypoint. We're going to save it. Waypoint 1, save. Test 2, save. So we're going to save 2 waypoints here. Now, if we go to waypoint, we can always go to the next one. Automatically, it will change it. If you guys can see that, we go back to the first one. Automatically will save it too. So very simple, very clever to have these templates. Testing 1, 2, 3, testing the camera. So we're actually testing it. We do have studio lights on, but I like the camera. We're also going to do a dark mode. So "99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.